Hello everyone, and welcome to the Mind Body Business Show. Hey, I'm your host Brian Kelly, and we have an amazing show for you tonight. We have one of the most gifted and talented individuals I've met in a very, very long time, and I can't wait for you to meet him. His name is Spohn.
And we all eat, we all breathe, and we all do similar things, and we think we're different. And when I'm coaching people, I actually don't listen to that. I listen to what are they committed to, and then what kind of outcome do they want.
We said this many times on this show that business is a relationship. It is not much different than another human being, because what is running a business?